Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Gretchen, and in today's video I am sharing with you guys some organization items that you can find at the Dollar Tree, the best ones in my opinion that I have found there and that I use all over my house. So if you're interested in organizing for the new year, if it's your resolution and you want to do it on a budget, stay tuned because I've got some great things to share with you guys. The very first one that I'm going to show you is this tub. You're gonna see that I have a little bit of a preference when it comes to buying organization items at the Dollar Tree. I try to stick to white. And if you've seen my pantry, you'll see pretty much white, and almost all of it is from the Dollar Tree that I use to organize my pantry. I'll go ahead and link that video for you guys in the description box below, so if you haven't seen it, you can check that out. But these are really great just so that you can use these to organize toys, you can use these to organize shoes. I use them in my pantry to organize the little snack bags, the little individual packs. It is nice and deep, and I just throw tons of Cheez-Its and Goldfish and whatever kind of snacks go in there, and for $1, great organization, definitely. Another one that I use a lot, you'll see them in my closets, in my pantries, in my cabinets. I organized my sister's pantry with these, and these are these little locker style bins that you see has like the little lines in the front. And now these are not really big, but they can hold so much. You can organize your bathroom cabinets with these. You can put them under the sink to hold cleaning supplies. I think I have a few in my laundry room also. So definitely, if you're ever in the Dollar Tree and you're looking into organizing, these are great for organization. Another one of my favorites are these little storage tubs with the lids on them. I couldn't find an empty one, so this one you'll see, this one holds my kids' kinetic sand. I use these to hold like make sensory boxes out of. So this is like a little sensory box for them. I have another one that has rice and like letters and things in it. And then I do have some of these in my medicine cabinet, but they're a little bit different because I didn't get them, not my medicine cabinet, guys. In my bathroom closet, I have some of these, but they're a little bit different because they're not from the Dollar Tree. I found them on clearance at Target, and they have the little clip-on, the clips on the side, and they're a little bit more square, and of course the quality is a little bit better on the other ones that I have. But you can find these at the Dollar Tree. You can organize so many things with these. You can put medicine in them. You can, like, just to organize medicine. You can use it to organize Band-Aids and things like that. You can use them for sensory boxes. I've seen people use them for hair accessories and all types of things that you can do with these. So these you can find at the Dollar Tree, and it's got the little top on it. So this is a great organization item. One of my very favorite things to get at the Dollar Tree for organization are these little drawer organizers. These are such good quality. Oh, good Lord, this is dirty. So I took these out of my bathroom drawers, but these are such good quality. These are the only two sizes that I've seen, but they're so great for organizing maybe a kitchen drawer, bathroom drawer. I mean, if it's a drawer, use these. These are awesome. And you will see that I put the little sticky tack from the Dollar Tree underneath, and that's just so that when I place it in the drawer, it doesn't slide around. I just put two little pieces, and it's easy to come off. It doesn't mess up your drawer or anything like that, but I do put these underneath just so they don't slide. So these are great. If you're ever in the Dollar Tree and you are looking for something to organize your drawers, definitely look for these because these are must-haves for organizing. Another thing that I recently found when I did my command center at the Dollar Tree are these acrylic organizers, and you can see I've got office supplies in them. You can use them for office supplies, you can use them for makeup, you can use them for hair accessories, and they are really good. They are good size. You can see it can hold a lot, especially if it's for office supplies or maybe like hair accessories or even like makeup. These are awesome to have in your drawers. I love these. I don't find them too often at my Dollar Tree, but I'm sure if you look around you can definitely find them. Another one that I found when I was doing my command center, this one, I'm not sure what happened here, but this is another acrylic one that I used in my desk to organize. Sorry, it got all messy when I brought it over here. But this is another one that I use in my desk to organize, and it's an acrylic. It's got you can see it's got 3 spots there. It's really, really wide. You can hold a lot of stuff in it. I have it to organize the like jumbo clips and stapler and post-it notes. And I put this in my desk drawer. Keeps everything nice and neat and organized, and I love getting these at the Dollar Tree, so this is really, really a good find. Another acrylic one that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I use this one for deeper drawers or for the drawers in my refrigerator, and that is this one. It looks like this. So what I do is I put these in my refrigerator drawer, and I use it to divide up like cheese or hummus, like the little hummus singles, or anything in the drawers that can fit in it. I use these for that. You can use it to divide, maybe to divide up fruit. I mean, you can use this in your, here it shows it like for pens, but I find that these are a little bit, you can see the difference. They don't fit in my drawers. It's just too big to go in my drawer, unless the drawer is like a really big drawer. So if you have a really big drawer that you want to put it in to organize, that's why I think they work so well in the refrigerator, because those drawers are pretty deep and you can use them in there. So I love these, and I usually see these a lot at the Dollar Tree. You can find them there. Great for organizing. And the other one that I like to use, and I like to use this one in my pantry. You can use it in your bathroom, and it's just like those little shallow tubs. I even use them in the car when we take road trips. I put them in the car to hold like activities for the kids, because it's easy for it to go on the floor and it doesn't take up a lot of space. But these are really, really great. You can use them in your laundry room. Whatever you can think of, you can use these. These are awesome. If organization is on your to-do list for 2020, definitely hit up the Dollar Tree. I started organizing with things from the Dollar Tree. It's been 3 years now, and the very, very first thing that I did was my pantry, and there's no going back. My pantry has never been more organized, and it has worked out so well, and I didn't spend but maybe $30 with everything that I got at the Dollar Tree to organize my pantry. Now, there are some baskets on the bottom of my pantry that I did not get at the Dollar Tree. They were really big. I'm gonna go ahead and link that video in the cards right above, just so you can check it out, and it just goes over how I reorganize my pantry, but you can see all of the bins that I use from the Dollar Tree, and then the baskets that I use that I did get at Aldi's. But for the most part, when I started organizing my pantry, I used everything from the Dollar Tree, and I still, more than half of what's in there is things that I get at the Dollar Tree. So when I organize around my house, I try to keep it budget friendly, but just give everything a place, and using all of these items really makes that possible, so that you can start to get your house in order and you don't have to break the bank doing it. So I hope that this really helped you guys, and maybe it's given you a little bit of motivation or inspiration to head over to the Dollar Tree and find a space in your home that you want to go organize. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.